In this video, I will show how to turn on camera feature in Microsoft Excel toolbar. So you need this camera feature. So click on File and Options. Here click on Advanced. Here click on Quick Access Toolbar. Then here select All Commands. Now in this list you have to find out camera. Select camera. Then click on Add. And here click on OK. So this is the method you can enable and add camera icon in this toolbar. Just select your data, then click on camera and you can keep it anyway. Select and then click on camera and you can paste your data anyway. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.